What? Oh, she died. Fuck. Is she just trying to keep me in here? No. I don't understand. Why are you shaking your head at me? You dogged me. What was I gonna do? I wonder why the stream resolution changed. I've never had that happen before.
Alright, Bestie, I have to go for a bit, but I'll be back.
Okay. Alright, thanks for games, Bestie.
Bye.
Bye. We go again. It's gonna be better. We're gonna have games like last night. I can tell. I can sense it. And I do Windows. Fuck, not Windows. Wiretap. Wiretap and repressed. And don't really have much on Jane. I need to build up my collection. I hope Joel's trying to snipe us. That would be good. Oh my god, yes, you look so cute! Courtney in chat, everybody. Good luck on your catches. Oh, I like the purple. That's nice. That's really nice. Not me. I don't know why it glitched. I've never seen that before. That was so funny. I tend to tape my book to my wrist on my off day. That was so fucking stupid. What the hell? Oh my god, that's so funny. Done, Pokemon. Get into my Pokedex. Huh? Ooh. I wonder what that sounds like. Let me test it. Okay, let's do it. Waiting for December 25th. Christmas Day to drop the Prime sub. Oh, you're so cute. Thank you. That's a trickster. Oh. Another trickster, huh? They're out and about in the wild at the moment. Cinnamon. Like a fucking tree. He's red barring too. Ooh, wait. Let me go see if the boon's up. Oh, it's downstairs. That's a shit boon spot. That is so shit. Oh well. Cause I'm looking on the radio. Like, no. Alright, let's get on me. Oh no, they're on me. Hello. Goodbye. Robin, you're cracked. You're actually cracked. Oh shit. I realized way too late. Oh fuck. Main eventing. Oh my god, that was so hot. That was so hot. Oh my god. Okay. Let's go to this TNL then. Oh fuck. He makes this. Yes, he does, damn. Okay. Let me crawl out a bit, maybe. Or does he just pick? He picks. Damn. Another gen? No, that's good.